In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge two documents in Google Docs. This process is straightforward, but it can greatly enhance your document management efficiency. Let's dive right in. First, we need to begin by accessing Google Docs. So open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Docs. Once there, log in using your Google account credentials. If you're not already signed in, make sure to do this as you won't be able to access your documents otherwise. Signing into your account grants you access to all your Google services, including Google Docs, so make sure to use the account linked to your important files. Once logged in, you will see a list of your most recently accessed documents. Find and open the file that you want to start with. This is the primary document into which you'll be merging content from another document. Opening it will bring you to the familiar Google Docs interface, where you can view and edit your document as needed. Now, let's move on to opening the second document, the one with the content you wish to append to the first file. Head back to Google Docs in your browser and open the second document in a new browser tab. This will make it easier to switch between the two documents. Once the second document is open, the next step is to select all of its contents. You can do this quickly by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+A if you're on a PC or Command+A on a Mac. This ensures you're selecting every element in the document from text to images. After selecting all the text, the next step is to copy it. This can be done just as easily using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on a PC or Command+C on a Mac. Copying the content prepares it for transfer into the primary document. With the content of the second document copied to your clipboard, return to the first document tab. This switch back to your primary document sets the stage for pasting the copied text. To do this, click into the document at the point where you want the new content to appear, then paste it using Ctrl+V on a PC or Command+V on a Mac. Once pasted, you may need to take a few moments to adjust the formatting of the newly merged content. Sometimes document styles don't align perfectly, so make sure to give it a quick look over, adjust font styles, sizes, and spacing if needed to ensure a seamless incorporation. And there you have it. You've successfully merged two documents using Google Docs. This method can be a real time saver and helps manage your files much more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tech tips and tutorials.